What's going on, guys? So I am out here at the Alliance Factory. This is the 2025 Sneak Peek Dealer event where they're showcasing to their dealerships all the new models that are coming out for 2025. A lot of stuff going on in here. We filmed a lot of products. In front of me is one that I absolutely love because it's a smaller, lighter weight travel trailer, and there's a lot going on here. And got other creators out here like my friend Josh over there. So if you think me and Josh the RV nerd are the same person, we're not. And he is filming some other stuff. We may do some stuff together. That said, let's take a closer look at this Delta Ultralight. Hang tight, I'll be right back. All right, so we're going to take a quick look at the numbers of this unit. It's going to have a gross vehicle weight rating of 7,450 pounds. It's actually a little heavier than I thought considering its size. A dry weight of 5,139 pounds and a cargo capacity of 2,271 pounds. It's going to ride on 15-inch D-load range tires and have twin 3,500-pound axles, giving it a 7,000-pound axle rating. So before we hop inside, we're going to see if Josh will fall off of this ladder in front of us.
There's about a 50-50 chance. By the way, if OSHA's watching this, of course I'm wearing fall protection.
Absolutely, it's new. All right, so we're swinging back around. We're going to take a look at this Delta Ultralight. Let's look at the numbers on here. So this thing is 23 feet, 11 inches long, dry weight of 4,992 pounds, and it has a hitch weight of 568 pounds. Remember, that's based on the dry weight of the trailer. Fresh tank, 45 gallon, gray tank, 74 gallons, black tank, 45 gallons, 15,000 BTU AC, 200 watts of solar on the roof of this unit. Let's hop inside. This is the ML206 Asdel on the outside and inside wall. Makes this pretty much a full composite wall. All right, hopping inside. Okay, I love Josh, but he talks very loud, so I had to close the door. All right, we're gonna quickly kind of pan around this very compact unit and see what it's all about. Check it out. So this is a really cool compact design. I love the fact that they've given you a functional living room and kitchen space in a relatively small floor plan. Over here, this is an interesting way of putting a shelf in place. That is awesome. You got your panoramic fireplace, very small one, but it's really nice to see inside of here. Plus you have your 3-burner cooktop with oven below. You have a pot and pan drawer below there. You also have nice sliding drawers with a cool divider in here also. You have your cabinets up top here. Coming around this way, we have our theater seating. This is cool. So these extend out and give you the ability to use them as kind of a dinette area as well. I love the fact that they give you pull-out drawers up here as well. And they're magnetically held in place, so that's why they're sometimes a bit hard to pull out. You got more pull-out drawers down here. Flush floor system, no carpet, with blackout shade rollers, which is nice. Got their large atrium windows. Have a queen size bed up here. Your drawers on the end. Some of your wardrobe storage there on the sides. You got your TV here as well on the wall. Compact microwave. This is going to have a quiet, cool Coleman Mach air conditioning system also. Very, very nice. And then this bed can lift up. You got storage underneath and a couple drawers underneath as well. Working our way here to the back, you have your 12-volt Furrion refrigerator. You have some more storage right here. And then you have your furnace down below. Coming over to this side, you have a plastic toilet. It does have a soft close lid and seat. You have an undermount stainless steel bowl, complete with thermofoil countertop. Nice medicine cabinet with a nice mirror on it as well. And then on this side, you got a good amount of storage for towels and toiletries. Cornered shower as well. And this is a great opportunity to talk about today's video sponsor, which is Liquefied. So Absolutely phenomenal product. I use it myself. Great products for toilets, gray tanks, everything else. Their most popular product is by far their toilet treatment. They're sponsoring all these videos out at Alliance, so big shout out to them. They have it in a liquid, a tablet, as well as a powder form, and they even have a gray tank chemical as well. But right now, promo, if you go to liquefiedrv.com, use promo code BTBRV, you will get buy one, get one free on your first order. So definitely head over there and check that out if you need toilet treatment. You have your Furrion on-demand water heater as well. Very cool. What do you think of this really awesome kind of small, compact, yet functional RV? I love the fact they give you the curtain right there so you can separate the living room area and the kitchen from the bedroom. The flush floor looks really nice as well. As you can see, you don't see any kind of ducting or anything in there also. It is a ducted air conditioning unit, so that's also very nice. But lots of stuff going on in here in a relatively compact floor plan, but I love the amount of space it gives you. Let's head outside. Okay, starting from the front, you have a spot for two 20-pound propane cans. You have electric front tongue jack. We have a nice underbelly storage pass-through. This is huge storage. You have manual style scissor jacks on the front and back. Goodyear Endurance tires. Runs on a BAL frame. It doesn't have an upgraded suspension hanger on it, but it does have a good frame system. This is the outside of your Furrion on-demand water heater. LED lighting, ladder to get on the back. It is prepped for a backup camera. You have a 2-inch accessory rack receiver. Plus you have your 30-amp connection right here. Coming around. The only slide on here is a rack and pinion slide. Over here, you're going to have your city water, your tank flush spray port, and your cable connection. And then right here, which is really cool, is you're actually going to have your slide out mechanism controller. So this is to push this slide in and out so you don't have to worry about hitting a tree or something that you may be parked next to. Battery disconnect. 400 watt solar panel, 40 amp charge controller. I think it's actually a 200 watt panel on the roof is what the instruction said, unless they threw a 400 watt panel up there, which would be really great. Or I guess two 200 watt panels. You can change from tank fill to city, and then your water pump switch. Really nice. They've done a great job with this floor plan. What do you guys think? And to wrap this video up, I had to hop on the roof real quick to see what type of panel they had up here. It is a 200 watt panel on the roof, but it will support up to 400 watts. So that is really cool. Okay, so I confirmed that the sticker inside there is the wrong sticker. That's a 400 watt sticker, but it's 200 watts of solar on top of here. But if you go to a standard Delta, it's 400 watts. So yeah, so they give you a 40 amp charge controller in here, which means you have a lot of expandability to this system. But anyways, I'd love to know what your thoughts are. Drop a comment below. What do you think about this relatively small tandem axle Delta ultralight travel trailer? Guys, if you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.